Whether you're creating a stylish accent wall or adding a modern touch to your space, installing acoustic wood slat panels is a great choice for your home. Today we'll walk you through the installation process for our 9.5 by 94.5 acoustic wood slat panels. To start, here's what you'll need: an electric screwdriver, glue, adhesive, 12 to 16 1.5-inch black screws per panel, a level, and a pencil. Step 1. Preparation. Start by measuring your space and deciding where you want to install the wood slat wall panels. Some prefer centering the panels for a framed look, while others install them flush with the floor for a grounded aesthetic. This helps finalize your mounting locations. Step 2. Installing the first panel. Put the first panel in place and insert 12 to 16 screws per panel, spaced evenly around the edges and closer to the middle. Make sure the panel is level. Step 3. Adding additional panels. Fit the second panel next to the first one. The acoustic pad in the back will allow for easy alignment and uniform spacing between slats. Repeat this process for the remaining panels. Step 4. Using adhesive. Although utilizing screws for our long panels is a great option, we highly recommend gluing the panels for a more permanent installation. Start with glue or adhesive. Apply adhesive generously to the back of the panel, along the edges, and crisscross through the middle. Press the panel firmly onto the wall. While the adhesive sets, use 1 to 4 screws to hold the panels in place. Remove these after 12 hours. Step 5. Custom installation with cuts. If you need to cut panels for a custom fit, measure the distance needed and mark it along the slats and felt. Cut the felt backing first with a utility knife, then use a saw to cut the slats. Secure any loose slats with screws or a dab of superglue if necessary. Step 6. Final touches. Repeat the installation process until your project is complete. Enjoy your new wood slat wall. Thanks for watching.